Hello folks. Thank you for choosing EmpMonitor. In this video, I am going to show you how easy it is to get auto email reports. With the help of the auto email reports feature of EmpMonitor, you can get reports of all the employees or selected one on your email address directly. You can get it daily, weekly, or monthly. Let's proceed ahead and know how to manage auto email reports with EmpMonitor. Log in to the EmpMonitor account using the basic information. Here's the main dashboard. Click on Reports option, available in the left sidebar menu. Here you will find three different options: Reports Download, Productivity Reports, and Auto Email Reports. Click on Auto Email Reports. Here you will get details of previous set auto email reports data. Let's create a new report. Special note: email reports will be sent out at midnight in the time zone of the user that sets up the report. Enter the report title. Select frequency. How frequently you would like to send email reports. Either daily, weekly, or monthly. Enter recipients. Separate the email IDs using comma. Check the box if you want to receive email reports. Select the type of content you want to include in email reports. Uncheck or check the boxes as per your requirement. Choose the people you would like to include in your reports. Whole organization. Specific employee. You can select all or search for specific employees. Select the specific department, or you can also select from all departments depending upon your requirement. Send test mail and click on Save. A new report would be added. You can edit the report from here. Change the report title and click on Save. Email report updated. You can also delete the generated email report using the delete option available. If you are sure to delete the report, click on Yes. So, this was a quick overview of how to manage auto email reports. If you need any help or face any issues, feel free to write to us at support@empmonitor.com or contact us over the Skype.